The 2026 Toyota RAV4 just went hybrid only, and everyone's asking the same question. Does a $2,100 price jump make sense when the Honda CR-V and Kia Sportage cost less? Most buyers assume hybrid means compromise, but what if eliminating the gas engine actually makes the RAV4 more competitive? Stick around, because the real ownership cost might surprise you. Welcome to AeroNext Auto. Let's address what everyone's thinking. Toyota eliminated the traditional gas engine completely, making every 2026 Toyota RAV4 a hybrid. The base LE FWW starts at $33,350, which sounds steep until you realize you're getting 226 horsepower and an estimated 47 city, 40 highway MPG. Compare that to the Honda CR-V Hybrid Sport at $38,580 or the Subaru Forester Hybrid Premium at $38,015, and suddenly the 2026 Toyota RAV4 is $3,000 to $5,000 cheaper than its closest hybrid competitors. The exterior redesign gives the RAV4 three distinct personalities. Core models like the LE, XLE Premium, and Limited feature a Crown Signia-inspired front end with dual-beam LED headlights and a refined grille. Sport trims, including the SE and XSE, get blacked-out styling with 18-inch or 20-inch alloy wheels. Then there's the Woodland, which borrows 4Runner-esque design cues with Rigid Industries LED fog lights and raised roof rails. This isn't just cosmetic variety, it's targeting buyers who want their RAV4 to match their lifestyle without aftermarket modifications. Inside, Toyota finally modernized the cabin technology. 9-inch display on higher trims, 3-inch digital gauge cluster, fixing a previous complaint where digital gauges were reserved for premium models. The new infotainment system responds faster thanks to increased computing power, and there's a built-in dashcam standard across all trims. Storage solutions improved with a dual-opening center console and additional cubbies for phones and charging cables. Performance-wise, the hybrid system delivers more than expected. FWW models produce 226 combined horsepower, while AWW variants bump that to 236 horsepower. That's 23 to 33 more horses than the outgoing base gas engine, and the transitions between electric and gas power are noticeably smoother. The LE and SE can tow 1,750 pounds, while the XLE Premium and above handle up to 3,500 pounds when properly equipped. For families towing bikes, kayaks, or small trailers, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid actually outperforms the previous generation without the fuel penalty. Zero, debuting first on the RAV4. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking.
The Woodland trim adds a multi-terrain monitor showing front, side, and rear camera views for off-road confidence. Limited models get a digital rear-view mirror and available head-up display, matching features found in luxury crossovers. Now let's talk pricing strategy. The LE FWD at $33,350 undercuts the Kia Sportage Hybrid AWD by $715 and the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid by $450. Move to the XLE Premium at $37,550 with wireless charging and synthetic leather, and you're still spending less than a base CR-V Hybrid Sport. The top-tier Limited at $44,750 includes AWD, a 9-speaker JBL audio system, and dual wireless chargers, positioning it competitively against the CR-V Sport Touring at $43,700. For buyers prioritizing fuel efficiency with towing capability, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 delivers better long-term value than competitors charging more upfront. So here's the takeaway. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 hybrid-only strategy isn't a compromise. It's Toyota betting on lower ownership costs, winning over buyers tired of gas station stops. If you're comparing compact SUVs and fuel economy matters, the RAV4 undercuts the CR-V by thousands while delivering better MPG. If you want traditional driving dynamics and don't mind higher fuel costs, the Sportage or Mazda CX-50 might suit you better. Either way, the hybrid-only RAV4 proves eliminating choice sometimes creates better value. If this breakdown helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe to AeroNext Auto for real-world automotive insights that cut through the marketing noise.